Once upon a time, in a land far away, there lived a man named Simon. Simon was a very important person in his town. He wore fancy robes and liked to follow every single rule. One day, Simon decided to invite someone very special to dinner, Jesus. But Simon, he didn't do any of those things. He just let Jesus walk in and sit down, like it was no big deal. Maybe Simon didn't think Jesus was that important after all. Then, something unexpected happened. A woman walked into Simon's fancy dining room. Everyone in town knew about her mistakes. People whispered about her. They pointed fingers. She carried a lot of shame, that heavy, sad feeling you get when you think everyone is upset with you. Her tears fell onto Jesus's dusty feet, washing them clean. She dried his feet with her long hair. She kissed them gently. And then she opened a beautiful jar of expensive perfume and poured it over his feet. The whole room filled with the sweetest smell. Simon watched all of this and wrinkled his nose. He thought to himself, if Jesus were really from God, he would know what kind of person this woman is. He wouldn't let her touch him. Simon judged the woman by her mistakes. He only saw what she had done wrong, not who she was trying to become. But Jesus knew exactly what Simon was thinking. So he told Simon a little story. He said, "Imagine two people who owed money to the same person. One owed a whole lot, like a mountain of coins, and the other owed just a little, like a small handful. But the kind lender said to both of them, 'You don't have to pay me back. I forgive what you owe.' Then Jesus asked Simon, 'Which one do you think loved the lender more?' Simon answered, 'I suppose the one who was forgiven more.' And Jesus said, 'You're right.' Then Jesus looked at the woman and said something that surprised everyone in the room. He told Simon, 'When I came to your house, you didn't wash my feet, but she washed them with her tears. You didn't greet me with a kiss, but she hasn't stopped kissing my feet. You didn't put oil on my head, but she poured her most precious perfume on my feet.' The woman had done everything that Simon forgot to do, and so much more. Why? Because she loved so much. And because of her great love, all of her many mistakes were forgiven. Then Jesus turned to the woman and said the most beautiful words she had ever heard. 'Your faith has saved you. Go in peace.' And do you know what happened? She stood up tall. The heavy, sad feeling of shame she had been carrying for so long, it was gone, just like that. Like the sun coming out after a long, rainy day. Her heart was full of joy, and her eyes sparkled with happy tears. And that, my friend, is the story of a woman whose love was bigger than her mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes, even me, even you. But here's the wonderful news. God's love is bigger than any mistake we could ever make. His forgiveness can take away all that shame and fill our hearts with peace. Remember, love, real, big, brave love, can change everything.